empty in the valley of your heart. The sun it rises slowly as you walk away from all the thieves and all the boats you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same, I know the shame in your defeat. But I will hold on to hope. I won't let you choke on the news around your neck. But I will strain in pain. But I will change my ways. I know my name and it's called again. 'Cause I have a thing still fit to my time. You take what is yours and I take mine. But let me add the two which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and blow my ears. I can see widows and all them through my tears. I know my call despite my thoughts and despite my growing fears. But I will hold on to hope. But I won't let you choke on the news around your neck. And I was trained in pain. But I will change my ways. I know my name and it's called again. Come on out, you came walking on your own. And see the world hanging upside down. You cannot understand dependence when you know the maker's aims. Make your silence cold and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say. 'Cause I need freedom now. 'Cause I need to know how to live my life as it meant to be. But I will hold on home. But I will let you show all the news around your neck. But I was fed in pain. And I will change my ways. I know my name and it's cold again. It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun it rises slowly as you are away from all the fears and all the boats you left behind.